Okay, class. Before we begin, can you all hear my voice clearly? Okay, good. Now, please turn on your camera so we can interact better. If anyone having a signal issues or cannot turn on the camera, please let me know in the chat, okay? Okay, I think we can start now. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? That's glad to hear that. I hope you all very exciting and ready to learn new things today. Welcome to our science class. My name is Chelsea, and I'm happy to be your science teacher. In this class, we will explore amazing world of science together, ask questions, do an experiment, and discover new knowledge. Before we start the lesson, let's begin with a prayer so we can learn with a clear mind and focus. Please close your eyes and let's pray. Okay, finish. Now let me check the attendance. When I call your name, please say present, okay? Okay, looks like everyone is attending the class. So, before we start the lesson, let's wake up our energy with a fun song. So, this song is called Are You Ready song. Please look at the screen and follow me. Okay, let's start the song. Okay, follow me. When I say, Are you ready? Are you ready? You say, Yes, we are. Yes, we are. And then when I say ready for what? You say ready for some learning, ready for some fun. And here we go, okay? So let's sing together. Sing together, okay. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Ready for what? Ready for some learning, ready for some fun. Here we go, here we go. Okay, all right. Before we dive into today's lesson, let's review what we learned in our previous class. Can anyone remind me what we discussed last time? Yes, we talked about element, compound, and mixtures. Who can tell me the difference between an element and compound? Okay, excellent. Now, let's move forward to today's lesson. We will learning about separation of mixture. By the end of this lesson, you will understand different methods to separate mixture, such as filtration, evaporation, distillation, chromatography, and also the other methods. So, these methods are very useful in daily life in industries. In this class, you will also do an experiment to separate mixtures and can apply it in everyday life. To start, can anyone think of a situation where we might need to separate a mixture in real life? Okay, great answers. One common example is making salt from seawater. This process uses the method of evaporation where the water is allowed to evaporate, leaving behind salt and crystals. Leaving behind salt and crystals. Another example is production of traditional Korean alcoholic beverage like soju and makgeolli. So soju is made using distillation, where alcohol is separated from the fermented mixture based on difference in boiling points. Meanwhile, makgeolli is produced by using filtration to separate the liquid from solid rice residues. Now, let's explore how we can separate different mixture and why these techniques are important. Are you ready to begin? Okay, let's get started. Please look at the screen. Yes, today we were going to solve a real-life problem using science. Our focus is on separation of mixture. Eh, Imagine you're at home and someone accidentally mixed salt with sand. How would you separate them? code uses to solve? Okay, so today your challenge is to investigate different separation techniques like filtration, evaporation, and decantation. But here the twist. I will not tell you exactly how to do it. You will explore and discover using the clues and tools provided. Okay, you will work in small group and each group has four students. So please grouping. Each group will receive a mixtures with a tool book with filter paper and vinyl, beaker and spoon, heating source like candle or warm plate, magnets, and plastic cup and stirring stick. Your task is to explore how to separate the mixture by using scientific reasoning. You might observe the mixture, try different techniques, record what works and what doesn't. So, you will use your worksheet to guide your thinking. So, please open your worksheet. For regular student will follow a more guided version, and a gifted student will explore more deeply and design their own solution. So, anyone uh, has a grouping today. And let's begin the experiment. Okay, if you have any problem, please tell me by raising your hand or something. Anyone have a problem? Okay. What method did you choose to separate mixtures? Did it work as you expected? Okay. Uh, Continue your experiment. Okay, class. So the experiment is like gonna 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, scientists. Experiment are done. Take a deep breath. Let's reflect. What worked? What didn't? And what do we now understand better? Okay. Group one. Can you share your experiment? Okay. Awesome. That method is called filtration. We use it when the solid doesn't dissolve. Nice thinking. Any group use decantation? That's a perfect example. In Korea, when washing rice, people often use decantation. You did great. How about separating salt from water? Exactly. That's evaporation. And for more complete recovery, we use distillation. Fantastic application. So, let's review what you just discovered with your own hands. The first is filtration. So filtration is for separate insoluble solids from liquids like sand and water. And decantation is to separate settled solid from liquids like rice washing. And centrifugation is fast spinning to separate line particles like blood, sorry. And third is distillation, is for separating solution based on boiling point, like salt water. These are real techniques used in home, labs, and industry. So science is all around us. Okay, so today you didn't just learn from a book. You became a problem solvers. You observe, made decisions, test them, and discover scientific techniques. Now, think, what do we see this in real life? At home? In factories? In hospitals? Yes, perfect. The example is filtration aid. water purifies, and distillation in alcohol production, like producing soju. Perfect. Real science in real life. Now, before we end, please submit your worksheet and I will review your reflection and process diagrams. Excellent work today, class. You explore, you ask question, and you found answer. That's what great science do. Next class, we will dive into something even cooler and more explosive. Just kidding, but not really. See you soon, guys. Bye.